Hey guys, this is Nate. Hey, I want to welcome everybody to my new shop. Pretty excited to be here. This is my first video, so take a look. My family and I moved this summer, so we're still looking for all of our stuff. We outgrew our house, and I outgrew my garage, so here we are. My plan is to continue making blacksmith-related content and grow this channel. I will have more space and ideas for content now that I have more room. It's been about 3 months since I swung a hammer, so I wanted to start with a simple project. A spade hook was what I chose. Most of my forging stuff is still in storage, but I have found the essentials. I can't punch a hole in this hook. I have no idea where the metal box is that I put all my punches in. My drill press is buried behind some fishing poles and an old barbecue grill. I do have a hand drill, but my vise is upside down leaning against the wall, so the hole had to wait. This is not my normal anvil stand. Normally I have a big cottonwood stump. This fabricated stand will have to do. I've had this stand for over 20 years. I bought it back in my farrier days. It's light and portable, but it bounces around too much for shop work. Here I'm using the straight cut Hardy to cut off the hook. I like to cut partway through and then rotate 90 degrees. That way the piece is still controlled and it won't go flying. Here's a shot of the anvil stand. The legs are made from angle iron. You can imagine how they flex when you're hammering. Onto the hook end of the piece, a straight taper, and then bend it over the horn of the anvil. Normally I would dunk the end of the scroll in a can of water. That'll make sure you don't deform it when you're finishing the bend. If anyone wants to see more of my projects, you can hop on over to my website, natepricecreations.com. I have a blog section over there with some of the other things I've made. I'll leave a link in the description box. Thanks for watching.